carbon. Today we are going to discuss about the allotropes of carbon. First of all, we know what is the allotropes of carbon. Here the allotropes of carbon means this the property which is having same chemical properties and differ physical properties. Physical properties. First of all, we know what is the chemical property and what is the physical property. If the allotropes having the same chemical properties and differ physical properties, we are calling it as allotropes of carbon. First of all, we know what is chemical properties. You know very well that the chemical properties is the one, the material which becomes clearly seen or evident in a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, we are calling it as chemical properties. Okay, then again, what is the physical property? The physical property is the one which is having color, volume, mass, density, boiling point, and melting point. This we are calling it as physical properties. We are seeing in the physical properties the color, volume, mass, as well as density, as well boiling point and the melting point. This we are calling it as physical properties. Here in the allotropes, there is having the same chemical formula but differ in their physical properties. We are calling it as allotropes of carbon. We will see the examples of allotropes. What are the examples of allotropes? The examples of allotropes are diamond. First, we will see the diamond. What is diamond? Diamond is the hardest substance. This is the hardest substance. Hardest substance. In the time diamond, each carbon atom is bound with other carbon atoms. Four other carbon atoms to form what? To form a rigid dimensional form. Dimensional structure. This is the diamond. It is the allotrope of carbon. It is a hardest substance. Each carbon atom bond with four other carbon atoms to form a rigid dimensional structure. Again, another example of allotropes of carbon is, you can take graphite. Here the graphite is the smooth and slurry. Smooth and slippery. First of all, know what is the slippery. Slippery means it is a smooth as well as wet one. This is the graphite. In a graphite, each carbon atom is bound with three other carbon atoms. Three other carbon atoms in a plane. In a plane. It is a hexagonal array. It's an hexagonal array. Hexagonal array. The graphite is form each carbon atom. In the each carbon atom, it is bond with the 3 other carbon atoms in a plane to form a hexagonal array. Okay. Then again, graphite. Graphite is combined with graphite combine करता है clay से to form a lead. To form a lead, which is used, we are using in the pencils nowadays as a lead pencil for, we are using here lead pencils for writing as well as drawing. I will show you the pencils of this one. It's purely this pencil. It's purely of lead. See here, this is the cover of this pencil is black. In the inside of this one, it is gray color. This is a graphite only. We are calling it as a graphite only. This graphite is combined with a clay to forming lead. It's, we can draw here like this. See, see this. This is lead. Okay, all of you understood? Shall we proceed to the next one? That is, the next example is fullerene. Fullerene as in iron, graphene. Fullerene is the contains 60 carbon atoms. 60 carbon atoms. 60 carbon atoms. This we are considered as C60 atoms. And this we are known as buckyball, or you can simply say this is football. Okay. This is the examples of allotropes of carbon. The first one is diamond, second graphite, third one is fullerene, and fourth one is graphene. These are allotropes of carbon. Okay, all of you understood? Yes. If you are understood, just raise the hand in this one. Okay, we will proceed to the next one. That is, what is a versatile nature of carbon? Versatile. Yes, yes. Understood? Versatile nature of carbon. We will proceed to the next topic. Okay, Deepak. Thank you. Yes, what is the versatile nature of carbon? In the versatile nature of carbon, there are two factors of carbon. Firstly, we will see what are the factors of carbon. Firstly, we will see that carbon has a unique ability. कार्बन के पास क्या है? एक अलग ability है उसके पास. वो क्या करता है? Other atoms के साथ combine होकर एक large number of molecule form करता है. इस formation को हम कहते हैं catenation. That means it has ability It has a unique ability to form a bond from other atoms to make a large molecule. This property we are calling it as catenation. We are calling it as catenation. Then again the second factor is carbon has 4 valency. 4 valency. Has 4 valency. The carbon may be bond with the other atoms also. Other atoms. For example, we can take oxygen, or we can take nitrogen or hydroxyl group, that is OH group, or we can take carboxyl group, and so on. These are the two factors of carbon, that is one is catenation. The simplest way of catenation is interconnecting with the CC bond. We're calling it as catenation. The simplest one is interconnected with CC bond. We are calling it catenation. Shall I write the interconnected connected CC bond. We are calling it as catenation. जो इंटरकनेक्टेड सीसी बॉन्ड को रहता है उसको हम कैटेनेशन बोलते हैं. इसी के अंदर समझ जाओ आपको सीसी बॉन्ड लॉन्ग चेन में है तो उसको भी हम बोलते हैं कैटेनेशन. कार्बन फॉर्मेशन के अंदर 3 ये आते हैं, चेन्स आते हैं. एक लॉन्ग चेन और एक ब्रांच चेन और एक रिंग चेन. ठीक है, इसी के अंदर 3 कार्बन, एक लॉन्ग चेन आता है, ब्रांच चेन और एक रिंग चेन. We will discuss first long chain. What is the long chain? Long chain. In this long chain, we can take an example of methane or ethane, propane, as well butane, pentane, and so on. Firstly, we will write the structure of ethane, propane, as well. We will discuss today. Okay. Today we will discuss this one. Firstly, this ethane. The formula of ethane is, you know very well, that is the formula of ethane. C2H6. This is the formula of ethane. Again, the propane. The formula of propane is C3H8. As well, the butane, the molecular formula is C4H10. We'll discuss this in a long chain. Yes, all of you are understanding? Shall I proceed to the next one? Okay. First, we will write this in a long chain form. Ethane. Formula is C2H6. First of all, we know the valence of the carbon is 4. First carbon we are writing here. Second carbon is writing here. The valence of this one is 4. First, we will write here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this carbon is also 4. First, it is attached to this carbon atom, and again the 3 are 1, 2, 3. This is valence 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here also this carbon is attached to 4 atoms. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here how many hydrogen atoms? 2 carbon atoms and hydrogen are 6. Here put on the hydrogen atoms like this. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen atom. Here also hydrogen atom. Here also hydrogen atom. All of you understood this one? Yes. Okay. We will put the next one. Propane. Okay. The formula of propane is 3H8. Here the carbon atoms are 3. And hydrogen atoms are 8. Just right here 3 carbon, just simple. C, C, and C. Here the valence of the carbon 4. First we will start from here. This 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. Here second carbon in this is start. It is connected with another carbon atom. Leave it this one. Get 1. And again the carbon valence is taken another 3 hydrogen atoms here. 1, 2, 3. This one is 4. Again, this last, it is other carbon atoms. Is completed. The next 1, 2, and this is 3. This one is 4. This valence carbon atoms. Here put on the hydrogen atoms first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It fills all hydrogen atoms. This we are calling it as long chain of atoms. Okay. Okay. Do the butane structure. Butane structure. I will tell you the molecular formula of this one. Butane. C4H10. First. Do with me. Here the carbon atoms are 4 and the hydrogen atoms are 10. First, simply write carbons. C first, 2, 3, and 4. How many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms. Then make the valence of this one first. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, this second carbon. Here also 4 of electron. This bond with this other carbon of atom. Then take this one, 1, 2, 3, and this one is 1. Again, this attachment of 2 carbon atoms. The one is here. The second atoms. This is the one more, and again the remaining one is 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Yes. Here put on the hydrogens of this one. How many hydrogen atoms? Yes. How many hydrogen atoms? 10 hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Wait a minute. Yes, this is the structure of butane of long chain. Yes, all of you understood? Now we'll discuss the branched chain. Branch chain. What is the branched chain? First of all, this will branch chain start from this. By taking an example, you can take example butane. Okay, the butane. H. Then we have to make a branch. First of all, we will write simple long chain. C. 4 carbon atoms joined with the 10 carbon atoms. H, 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 H. This forms a branched chain. Okay. Here I make a branched chain. The value of the carbon is 4. First we will write CC. Here also. This can be C attached this one. This is attached with this one. The second carbon we are attaching one carbon here and another carbon is here. Okay. Then again, you see the second carbon atom, the value should be 4. That's why here one is attached with this carbon atom. This is attached with carbon atom, and again it start attached with this carbon atom. Then again remaining one is 1. So I put the hydrogen atoms here. First, take this carbon atom. Firstly, we are bonding with this, and again this, this is another this carbon atom. Okay, again here it is this carbon atom is attached with this carbon atom and this carbon, and remaining is 1. You can put here as well. Here this carbon 1, 2, 3, and it is a carbon. 1 and 4 atoms. Again, this carbon atoms is attached with this carbon. One is completed. The next one is this one, and attached with this one and this one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the carbon atom? Okay, put on the hydrogen atoms. H, 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 H. Count the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it was 10 hydrogen atom with 4 carbon atom. This is the branch chain of butane. Yes, all of you understood? Yes. If you understood, just raise hand. Okay, we will proceed to the next type, that is ring chain. Ring chain. The ring chain of carbon atom is start from propane. Butane, pentane, as well as hexane. See this one? We know the formula of propane is C2H3, sorry, C. Yes. Formula C3H8 as well as butane and hexane. Firstly, we will draw the ring chain of propane. C, C and C. This is this carbon atom is attached with this other carbon and this one. This carbon atom. Then the remaining of this one is 1, 2, H, H. This is here 2 minus hydrogen and again hydrogen. This one hydrogen, hydrogen. It is filling the valence of 4 electrons of carbon. Yes. This we are calling it as cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Again, butane has 4 carbons. Take this. This is C. Sorry, you can write like this. C, C, C. It is attached with 2 carbon atoms. This one and this one. And take another 2 hydrogen atoms. Here one, and again here one, here one, and here one, as well as this here one, and here. This we call it as cyclobutane. In the ring form, we should have to call it as cyclopropane as well as cyclobutane. The hexane has right here the formula of this one, structure form of this one. C, 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 C. See this how carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again hydrogen atoms here. Here hydrogen atoms. Here hydrogen atoms. Here hydrogen atom. Here hydrogen atoms. 2. Here 2. Hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom. This we are calling it as cyclohexene. Yes, so this one ring chain. If you understood, just raise the hand. Yes, if you understood, just raise the hand. Yes, we proceed to the next one. That is the carbon compounds having the saturated compounds as well as the unsaturated compounds. Firstly, we will write saturated compounds and the unsaturated compounds. Saturated compound. Okay. Unsaturated compounds. Saturated compounds. Firstly, we will know what is the saturated compound and the unsaturated compound. The saturated compound is having single bond. Single bond is called a saturated compound. If the unsaturated compound is one which is having double bond or triple bond, we are calling it as unsaturated compound. Just we will see one example of this one. Examples of this one. Example of ethane. The formula of ethane is C2H6. First, we will make the electron dot structure of this one. Electron dot structure of this ethene. Firstly, on the carbon atoms here, the valence of the carbon atoms are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the valence of electron. Here the atom with one hydrogen, and one hydrogen. Here also one hydrogen, and another hydrogen atom. These forms here first one bond of this one CH bond. Here also one CH bond. Here also one CH bond. Again here one CH bond. Here also one CH bond. Again here one CH bond. These are balanced with this one. Carbon of this one. Again, this is this 3 hydrogen atom is this one carbon atom to form here a bond. This is the single bond. It is the electron structure of ethene. This is the formation of single bond. If the compound containing the single bond, we are calling it saturated compounds. It may be ethane, it may be a propane, it may be a butane, it may be a pentane, and so on. The long chain formation are large molecules contain saturated compound. It is very stable. Again, the double bond. We will take the example here. Ethene. Okay, the ethene will do the structure formation of this one electrons of this one. The formula of this one is C2H4. Ethene like C2H4. First, write down the carbon atoms. Either the valence are 1/3 here. Year one. This. Firstly, how many hydrogen atoms here? 4 hydrogen atoms. One is here, 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 and here. The formation of one CH bond, formation of one CH bond, formation of here one CH bond, and one is formation of one CH bond. This is combined with these two are combined with these two carbon atoms, and again these two hydrogen atoms combined with this carbon. One pair of electron is a double bond. This is one bond. This is the formation of another bond. This we are right here CH2 double bond CH2. This is the unsaturated compound. We will see the next one. Bond one. If you understand, raise the hand. Yes. Just raise hand. Yes. Yes. All of you understood? Yes. Again. अगेन सी दिस, ये सिंगल बॉन्ड जो है ना, यहाँ पे हम लोग लिए थे ईथीन. ईथीन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? C2H6. अभी देखो C2H6 है, इसी के अंदर कार्बन आइटम्स है 2 और हाइड्रोजन आइटम 6 है. अभी हमको क्या करना है? फर्स्टली वी विल राइट कार्बन आइटम हियर 1. हाउ मेनी कार्बन आइटम्स? 2 कार्बन आइटम्स. द हाइड्रोजन आर 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 hydrogen atoms. We have to make the bond of this one in between these carbon. Firstly, we will look at dot structure, electron dot structure. Okay, valence of carbon is 4. 1 2 3 4. The valence of 1 2 3 4. The one valence of electron is attached with the one hydrogen atom. Yes, one hydrogen atom and attached with one carbon atom. This one pair of the electron dot we are calling it as one bond. The covalent bond. Sharing one electron. Sharing of electron. शेयर करता है इलेक्ट्रॉन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉन्ड होता है. यहाँ पे अगर सिंगल बॉन्ड रहा तो हम उसको बोलते हैं सैचुरेटेड बॉन्ड, और अगर डबल बॉन्ड रहा तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड. या नहीं तो ट्रिपल रहा उसको भी हम क्या बोलते हैं? अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड. यस, ऑल ऑफ यू. Yes, I will send you the PDF of this notes in the after completion of the chapter. Don't about the notes. Okay, in the next class we will see the different structures of this unsaturated compound in the next class. Thank you, students.